Hello everyone and welcome back to my art studio and my daily art vlog. As you can see, I'm sketching here and I have my cup of coffee. So if you want coffee, go and grab yourself a cup of coffee or tea. So today I'm making a little scene with some forest creatures. There's a little gnome sitting on top of a mushroom, playing some kind of a horn, and he has an audience. I had planned to make a toad or a frog, so I wanted to respond to Linda, who wrote to me on Facebook and suggested, because I asked for suggestions, if someone has suggestions for what they want me to talk about or paint or draw. And Linda suggested mushrooms, or a mushroom with maybe a toad on it or beside it, and that's what I wanted to make today. But then it's I can't promise that I can make everything exactly as you suggest, but that was my intention, and then this gnome happened. Maybe I'll get a toad tomorrow. I'm using my wonderful Escoda brush, Riserva Kolinsky number 6 from Escoda, my absolute favorite brush, and I'm painting on wonderful Arches paper and using Winsor & Newton watercolors. And some of these audiences here, they seem a little skeptical to the music, and others seems to enjoy it. I'm using a Derwent color pencil, and this here is the one I used to sketch with. Is a graphic line. It's called a Grap Gear 500, the pencil, lead, or the technical pencil. And there's a Derwent fine liner here. And there's also a fine liner from Faber-Castell, the black one. And I think that's all I'm using. I decided that I didn't want to frame this one in this small black frame that I have been using lately, or like the frames that I want to use. But I have a frame that is a little bigger and with a matte. I think this one needs a matte, like this. So yes, I'm going for a very short walk. I have to post 3 paintings that I'm going to send off to people who has bought them, and I just walk over to the where I'm going to post them, and go, and I can walk through the park. There's not much snow today. So that's all I had today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumb up, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Peace. Goodbye.